I've found the perfect ChatGPT prompt formula that's going to revolutionize how you use AI in marketing. In this video, I'm sharing the only formula you'll ever need to consistently create powerful, precise ChatGPT and Google Bard prompts that deliver exactly what you're looking for. So let's dive right in. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Daniel, your specialist on artificial intelligence, and if you're like me, you probably wondered why some ChatGPT prompts deliver spot-on responses while others fall short. The key lies in understanding prompt structure. After countless hours of research and applying what I've learned, I'm going to break down the 6 components that make up a high-quality prompt. Let's go through them so you can consistently generate incredible AI outputs for your marketing strategies. Before we jump into each component, let's quickly cover what they are. Task, context, exemplars, persona, format, and tone. Not all 6 are needed in every prompt, but understanding their order of importance will make a huge difference in your results. Let's start with the first component. First up is the task. Always begin your task sentence with an action verb, like generate, write, or analyze, and clearly specify what your end goal is. For instance, generate a 3-month marketing campaign to increase the number of leads. If you have multiple steps, like analyzing data or creating reports, list those out. But remember, your task should be simple and actionable. Next, we have context, and this is where a lot of people get stuck. You need to provide just enough information to guide the AI, but not overwhelm it. Ask yourself these 3 questions. What's the user's background? What does success look like? And what environment are they in? Let's say you're creating a content strategy. I'm a digital marketer looking to increase engagement by 20% over the next quarter, and I only have a budget of $5,000. Providing context makes your output more tailored and actionable. Exemplars are next, and they're just a fancy way of saying examples. Including examples helps AI like ChatGPT or Google Bard understand the structure you want. For instance, if you're refining a marketing email, give an example of the tone or format you like to follow. Use the structure from this high-converting email I created last year. By giving examples, you improve the output and save time on revisions. Next, let's talk about persona. This is where you define who you want the AI to act as. Think of it like choosing your ideal consultant for the task. For instance, act as a seasoned digital marketing expert with a focus on B2B lead generation. By selecting the right persona, you tailor the response to match the expertise and tone you need for your project. Format refers to how you want the final output to look. You could ask for bullet points, tables, paragraphs, or even charts. Be clear and specific. For instance, if you need ChatGPT to summarize user feedback, ask it to organize the data into a table with categories for key insights, action items, and priority. This way, you get your information exactly how you need it. The last piece is tone. Whether you're looking for something formal, casual, witty, or even sarcastic, tone matters. Simply tell ChatGPT or Bard what tone you're going for. For instance, write in a professional yet approachable tone, or use a confident but not aggressive tone. Getting the tone right makes your communication resonate better with your audience. Now, let's put it all together in a single example. You might say, you are a senior marketing strategist specializing in B2B SaaS companies. I want a content calendar to help increase organic traffic by 30% in 6 months. Provide a detailed 3-month plan and make sure it's in a table format. Use a professional and concise tone. By covering all 6 components, task, context, exemplars, persona, format, and tone, you get a much more precise output that can directly influence your marketing strategy. And there you have it, the perfect prompt formula to master ChatGPT and Bard. Start using this formula in your daily AI interactions, and I guarantee you'll see better results. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI-powered marketing strategies and want to level up your skills, join our AI Marketer course. We cover everything from ChatGPT prompting to AI-driven marketing tactics to help you stay ahead of the competition. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.